Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to do these cute buttercream roses on our little mini cupcakes. And if you saw my other tutorial that has more detail, it's called How to Pipe a Color Stripe Buttercream Rose. And so that's what I did today, was color striping with red from Americolor. And the only difference is today I used a 124 Ateco piping tip because it's a little more narrow than the other piping tip I used in my other video, and I like the detail that it offered for these mini roses. So thanks for watching, and you can see a full tutorial on piping roses on my channel, Icing on Top Becky's Cakes.